Computer won't turn on? Don't panic. Try these 4 things before you pay for repairs. First, check the connection. It sounds silly, but check the plug. Make sure it's tight or try a different wall socket. Sometimes the outlet is the problem, not the computer. Secondly, check the cable. Power cables can break. If you have a spare on maybe from your monitor, swap it out and see if that works. Thirdly, check the static drain. If it's a laptop, unplug the charger and take out the battery. Now, hold the power button down for 10 seconds. Put the battery back in and try again. And still nothing? Then it's likely a hardware failure, usually a dead power supply or motherboard. At this point, it is time to check your warranty or visit a professional repair shop. Subscribe to Windows Tips for more.